In this video, we'll learn how to apply conditional formatting to a table in Power BI using the fields state and sales. Here, we have a simple table with sales by state. We're going to apply conditional formatting to the sales column. First, click on the table visual to select it. Make sure you have both the state and sales fields added to the Values section. Now, go to the Visualizations pane, look for Sales field under the Values area, and click the small arrow next to it. From the menu, choose Conditional Formatting, and then select Background Color. A new window will pop up. Here, select Color Scale to create a gradient. Power BI will automatically use the lowest value for light colors and the highest value for dark colors. You can customize the colors or leave them as default. When you're done, click OK. And that's it. You now have conditional formatting applied to your sales column. Higher sales are highlighted with darker shades, while lower sales appear lighter, making it easier to spot trends at a glance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.